Yo, 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 it's me again, Kachao. So, our lesson for today again is actually uh, how to get huge BS points using the SSR promotion for during season events. So, for this season 4, it's Sarah's turn. Actually, this is the second video. I made a mistake before. Uh, I I didn't know that I got this one. I made a video 5 hours before I got this this badge. So we needed it to make the promotion. So I won't be posting the process that I did before. So but I will tell you what I did before. So basically my Sarah was 3.1 star. No, 4.1 star. So I upgraded
Please
her,
give instructions.
gained some points from her stars using using epic shards. So I gained some points there, but I forgot how much points that I get. So let's just settle for the skill medals.
Please give
So,
instructions.
so as you can see, all her skill is maxed. So why did I max it though? Even though I'm a tank main, so I will promote her, and let's just focus on that. This one, this one. The skill medal consumed to upgrade the skill level will be returned by a mail, meaning I spent 666,000 skill medal to max all her three skills, and then after I promote her, all the skill medals will be refunded or returned via mail. And the shards consumed upgrading the Wall of Honor will be returned in the form of corresponding hero shards by mail also. So this is the trick. If you are, this is absolutely a must. If you are an aircraft main, okay. So since I'm not an aircraft main, this won't work for me. So for her Wall of Honor, you can see my Sarah is already at 5 star. So I can level up her Wall of Honor. And then as air, if you are an aircraft main, I suggest you level it to 160. So why 160? You need 10 10 shards for each level, okay? And 160 level means 1600 charge, right? So 1600 charge for this. After after you promote Sarah from SSR to UR, she will be demoted back to 3 star. So here it is, number 3. The hero is promoted. The star level will be reset to 3 stars. The skill will be reset to level 1. The hero level retained, the same level still. But the skills will be from max level 30. It will it will be reset to level 1. The original SSR tier hero wall of honor disappears. So what does that mean? So nowadays she you can level her wall of honor since she is 5 star already. And then after you level it to 160 and then promote her, uh, mm, her wall of honor will disappear, like my Scarlet. So I had my Scarlet wall of honor here before. Since I'm a tank main, so I have her at 5 star, put some level on her wall of honor until my last universal shards. And then after I promote her, her wall of honor disappears. But the shards I used for her wall of honor, which I do suggest for aircraft main, is 1600, which means 160 level in her wall of honor. So that 160 wall of honor will disappear, but your shard will be refunded, and it will be refunded in a form of this one, in a form of corresponding hero shards, meaning just like mine, I have universal shards. If I use it to level Sarah's wall of honor, then I promoted Sarah, it will be converted to a corresponding hero shard. What does that mean? So this is it's like this. It's a corresponding hero shard, meaning it's a shard for Scarlet, it's a shard for Mason, Violet. So like these ones. So for me as a tank main, so I won't use my universal swords for Sarah's Wolf of Honors since it will be converted to corresponding hero swords for Sarah, and I won't be able to use it, or even if I was able to use it, it won't help my tank main since I'm a tank and Sarah is an aircraft. So I'd rather use it on Mason or Violet. Okay? So after after promoting her to 160 Wall of Honor, after promoting her Wall of Honor to 160, then promote her to UR, she will be uh, reset, her star level will be reset to 3 star. And then her Wall of Honor shards, the shards that you use for her Wall of Honor will be refunded via mail, and
Please give
her
instructions.
skill medals. So this is 666,000. It will all be refunded, and then she will go back to 3 star but in UR form, just like my
Ready
Mason,
to go.
Violet, and Scarlet. So why do you have to level her Wall of Honor to uh 160 using 1600 shards? So using 1600 shards, and you will have her Wall of Honor to 160 and then refunded it, so you'll have your 1600 shards again, and that 1600 shards you will use it to level back her star to 5 star. So how and why? Actually, for 4
I will be
star,
by your side no matter
for
where
4
you lead.
star, we usually need just 60 for each of the star hands or legs or whatever you want to call it. In total, that's 60 times 5, so that's 300 for 4 star only. And then, since it's a UR hero, the shard the shards you need to level her will be doubled. Sa I promoted you can original hero SSR shards to upgrade your new hero tier. Here, number 4. upgrading stars requires double the shards. Okay, so just like this one, as you can see, Venom,
I'll never forget that
he
day.
only needs 100 per hand or per point for the fifth star, 500 in total. But as you can see,
Time to
by
make a big
Scarlet,
move.
she needs 200 per hand or for whatever you want to call it. So that's 1000 in total. It's doubled. Okay. So for the fourth star, instead of 300, you'll be needing 600. And for the fifth star, instead of 500, you will be needing 1000. So 1000 from plus 600, it's 1600. So 1600 shards will be uh, the 1600 shards that you used for her wall of honor will be refunded, and then that shard uh, is the shards that you will be needing or that you will use to upgrade her star back to 5 star. So that she will have a wall of honor availability again, so you can level her wall of honor again to boost your aircraft main. But again, if you are not an aircraft main just like me, you don't need to put 160 level for her wall of honor or use 1600 charge for her wall of honor. Okay, so you won't be needing that. So this is what you have to do
Please give instructions.
if you are not an aircraft main. Her just level her to her star, upgrade her star to 5 star, level all her skill, and I believe this is 6,000, 666,000 skill medals. I gained almost 15M for that. So after that's after using all those skill medals for Sarah, and then so it's now all set since my Sarah is 5 star.
Um, I'm not much of a talker.
All skill is already maxed, and I already gained 15, almost 15M BS points for her for using those skill medals for her. Then I will reset her. Wait. Ah, this is my current skill medal. What 103.9 thousand, right? So let's promote Sarah. Okay, let's promote Sarah. She will be her star will go back to 3 star, but now she is you are hero. So as you can see, now she is a you
Um,
are hero,
I'm not
but
much of
the
a talker.
skill level was reset to level 1. All level was reset to level 1. And then her wall of honor disappears. Okay, since she is a 3 star now, she won't have a wall of honor. And then the skill medal here, season, will be refunded. Oh, that's almost 600k. Nah. Oh, okay. I made a mistake in some calculations. I forgot. 666,000 is for your heroes. Okay? Is for your heroes, not for SSR. So I used uh, Sarah is Sarah is Sarah was on SSR, so she needed less skill medals for to level her skills. So my bad for that. So this is it. I refunded 599 for point 599,000 skill medals. So I claim it. Then how will I double my points? using this trick. So my skill medal is back up to 703.3 thousand. Then I can use I can use those skill
I
medal
never
to level
daydream.
up my other heroes and gain another point. So I gained 15, almost 15k for that all 599k skill medal before. Now I will be able to gain another 599k, another 15k for that same 599k skill medal. So you get the point. And then the point for the point for hero charge will be the same. Using the hero shards to upgrade her wall of honor up to 160, you'll be needing 1600 shards there. And for BS, that those shards, using those shards will gain you points. And then after upgrading or promoting her to UR, she will be uh she will be promoted to UR, and all her skill medal will be refunded, and also the shards you use for her wall of honor. Okay, and then those 160 level for her wall of honor is equivalent to 1600 shards, and then after refunding the 1600 shards, you will use it to upgrade her. You will use it to upgrade her star again, since
Um,
she
I'm
is
not
a
much of
three
a
star
talker.
she is a 3 star again. So you will use it to upgrade her back to 5 star using that 1600 shards. So you will gain twice the points for that 1600 shards, and then twice the points for using those 599 skill medals. Okay, that's how you gain points in BS for the hero promotion during season events. So that's it. I hope this will help you a lot to contribute contribute to your alliance. See that so so that oh shit 1,000 1.5 M, so that your alliance can win your BS matches. Okay, so just remember, don't make the same mistake. You need this. Okay, you need this. You are tier hero badge. Okay, so just remember, don't make the same mistake that I did before, actually this afternoon. Okay, so it's dig time, please say. So this is it for now. Bye bye.